are not total solution for horticulture crops or any agricultural products.
Oh, yeah, vermiculture is just an added fertilizer to already existing organic fertilizer that you are.
Yes. Whatever organic carbon or soil into the soil, na, first we will need to enter the bacteria into our soil. First, our soil structure is very fertility with this bacteria only.
Continue.
So I
You are
suggest.
talking about putting organic matter into the soil to rejuvenate the soil.
Yes.
After the once you stop using chemicals, to get the same kind of nutrient to the plant using
Through bioproducts.
Can you be more clear about the bioproducts and what they are and how they affect the soil?
There is 4 types of bioproducts is there. One is called as a biocontrol agents,
Okay.
such as and biofertilizer and biopesticide and plant growth promoting rhizobium bacteria. These are 4 types of bacteria is there. First, we will put to biofertilizer for NPK solution, and after that using biocontrol agent for root zone fungal attacks and by air fungal attacks. After that we are using biopesticides. Biopesticides means in chemical, lot of chemicals is there for different pesticide and different mites and different habits, whatever. So I think thousands of brand names and chemicals for in chemical section. In bio, there are only 6 products is there. One is Beauveria called Beauveria bassiana and Verticillium and Metrrhizin power, Bacillomyces, like that. Only 4 to 6 bacteria and fungal agents are total solution for pest control. So this is very beneficial to the farmers and by economically and by time also. So there are these biocontrol agents and biofertilizer, biopesticide and simultaneously plant growth promoters are also there, like rhizobium bacteria. So these type of products first we will put into the soil. When we are put into the soil, our soil structure is very fertility. This type of system we will do minimum 3 years. When we are 3 years means because our soil is very damaged with chemicals last 50 to 60 years. Before 1960s, there is no chemical fertilizer. In India, our agriculture sector means very old means 3000 years old. At that time, there is no chemical and nothing. After 1960s only, we are introduction to the chemicals in our fields. So whatever alkalinity and acidity is there in our soils, that is removal means it must be 3 years put into this bioproduct. Then only that bacteria is multiply into the soil and become as a rich fertility soil. That is doing minimum 3 years.
Now what you are telling me is that with your bioproducts, when you are switching over from chemical to organic, you don't have a massive drop in productivity.
No,
you
sir.
are talking about maximum, at maximum 40% reduction.
Yes.
Is that correct?
That is only for 2 years, not for long. That only maximum reduces for only for 2 years.
And after the second year, it will go up to 100%.
Yes, definitely.
Of the previous when he was using chemical fertilizer.
Yes, definitely we will reach that type of. Some farmers they are getting, and myself also, I am getting 20% more production also.
Oh, after the third year.
After third year. So this is not when we are converted to chemical to bio, our total production is losses. This is not correct. and this is wrong concept, because I am also basically at that time on 2098 to 2001 I also the same procedure as when we will put at that time. First I will put 1 kg of per one plant at that time. After I increase 1.5 kg, but I am not getting good result. So I will increase that type of dose in chemical 2 kg. When I will put 2 kg of chemical fertilizer, at that time I reduces my crop, because some chemical reactions to the plant also. Plant means that is also like a human body. So that needs also some good environment and good bacteria, useful bacteria. When we are increasing our chemical fertilizer day by day, year by year, our total bacterial soil structure is damaged, and now our total Indian farmers they are facing only alkalinity and acidity soils only we are having.
Okay, can you talk about pH level of water and water purity for organic farming, and what measures do you have in place to manage?
Regarding that, I have such not information about that water pH, but I have information about our soil pH. Soil pH for orchards in Himachal, particularly Himachal, 6.5 to 7.5 pH very good for apple orchards, and the same time 7 to 8 pH is very suitable for vegetables and exoticas and this. In South India, total overall India soil pH is good for agriculture and horticulture crops as minimum 6.5 to 8.5. This is very necessary, and most of farmers they are not doing their soil test also. So suppose here suppose I am talking about my farm. When in 2000 I have lot of nitrogen in my soil, but I did not get that type of information, and I am not do test also. So I will put a lot of nitrogen as urea, 1 kg, 1.5 kg. So already nitrogen levels is very high in my soil, and again I will put nitrogen to the plant. So that is reduces my crop also. So first method, our soil test is also very necessary for our farmer community. So this is very most important. After that only we will do. Either you do with chemical or bio, that is your choice. First, soil testing is very necessary for agriculture.
Either way, whether it's organic or chemical. Can you tell me, you told me that you are now managing over 100 farms, and you all are providing this information and technology to
farmers.
140 farms?
240 farmers.
240 farmers.
Yes.
Now, these farmers in which, they are all in Himachal state?
Yes, totally in Himachal, and particularly 3 districts. One is Shimla district and Mandi district and Kinnaur district. Only 3 districts we are having. The same time, I have joined with one NGO. That NGO called Karsok Farmers Valley Group. That Farmers Valley Group, that NGO also very do good business, good job with the farmers. There are 360 farmers is there in that NGO, and they are producing total exoticas and English varieties like broccoli and squash and like that, and they are all put in organic method only, but they are not getting any certification agency till now. So what they are meaning, organic means there is no chemical, using only vermicompost. So we removed that type of mentality. We introduce our bioproducts to them, and we will work with them also. Last year we started with them. This year they will good results. Maybe it increases 360 to 500 farmers very soon.
Now, for these products that you are marketing to them, is there any government subsidy for the products that you are?
No, sir. There is no subsidy.